This Shravya Subhash Chandra Shetty from Little Rock Indian School, Chandar, from Brahmavar. As soon we saw we saw the news in the newspaper when my dad read the news about Vidya Amrita giving us the coaching in the Bantakal College. My dad was very happy because as per my past 2 years, I actually never went for any coaching for NEET and CET. I have been only studying in my school actually. Vidya Amrita program has given me a lot of confidence for the CET test. As I can say that the teachers are very the high quality teachers right here are more of helping, and they are more of fun and interactive. And as we can say that this program, even though it's for the amount is too less than 1,000, that's 950 rupees, it's more than helpful because there's a high quality material given to us where all type of shortcuts and all type of methods and all the chapter wise questions are given up. And I'll say you don't miss this type of opportunity actually. Many of my friends actually go for the higher, like to other coaching classes where they have to pay 1 lakh or more than that also. And sometimes they say that the coaching which they go there is actually not useful because some of them go there for only for outing or to show off like that and all. But here actually we come here for the study purpose, and it's kind of useful for me because as much I couldn't understand at home, I could have understood here from the teachers who are helping us in time to time by helping us to solve our doubts and giving us more questions and giving us more idea that like how can we face CET exam, how can we approach this type of questions, and what all can be done if suppose these type of questions are given up. And I even requested my friends to join in, but some of them, like as me in a CBSE school, there are a lot of exams coming up, so none of them could join. And even the coaching, the program have gave me a lot of confidence in me, saying that the CET which I used to see that like it's impossible for me to clear right now, it looks like I can clear it by getting good rank amount. I think that this type of program should be actually held in every type of every states, and it's actually very useful for the students who don't have coaching nearby. For me, the coaching here, I have to go for the coaching to Urpi and to Urpi, which is kind of very difficult for me, and I have to pay a lot of money for the coaching. If we take about like a lot of good coaching institution, they won't accept more than they accept at least 1 lakh. At least you have to pay them for 2 years. It's better to give 950 rupees for at least a CT classes where you get the quality of these type of books. There are many facilities which will given to us, but we never see them. We only see that okay, maybe 950, right? It's not the good thing and all. Like we only see. So many people of my friends also think the same thing. When I said them that I'm going to join here, they felt like that 950 they won't teach that much, right? They'll be not like the other college, other institution which we see and all. Like they have a lot of good things, all top teachers, they have good ranking because in the paper whenever the CET NEET result comes up, they put in the paper a lot type of the rankers and everything that they got this ranking, that ranking. And my friends also feel that this particular coaching whichever they are going through are the best coaching ever, but they are wrong actually. Even less amount of fee also can be to give the best coaching ever. And even like to thank the teacher app which give me which help me to understand the concept better also, and give me the mock test regularly, which help me to develop a confidence about how do I face the exam, how do I face the questions and all those things. And with the Amrita app, I cannot be thanking them a lot because how if we keep on they have helped me so much that like even my parents are so grateful for them because of this, because in a very less time no actually institution crash course would help as much like how the Amrita app helped us. Thank you, sir, and thank you everyone.